Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove Gmail account from Android phone. So first of all, open phone setting, scroll down, select the Google option, click on the arrow icon, scroll down. After that, click on manage an account on this device. Second option, Google. First, select the deletable email. Look at the right corner, tap onto two dot, and after that click on remove account, and then finally click on to remove account. Then successfully remove Gmail account from your Android phone. So that's how you can do it.